Today we're talking about the Hikeit X9 Throttle Controller. Babe, I'm filming! Fine, hurry up, I need it straight after. Looks like we're taking this outside. This is easily the cheapest and most noticeable mod you can do on your truck. Retailing for around $225 on the Hikeit website, I picked this one up for just a little bit under that online and was shipped to me within a few days. Change your mind for whatever reason within 30 days, Hikeit will give you a 100% refund. The product is also backed by a lifetime warranty if the unit becomes faulty. Stay tuned and I'll tell you where the best place to buy this online later on in the video. The Hikeit units come in two flavors, the Hikeit X9 and the Hikeit X5. They both have the same design, capabilities and chipsets. The biggest difference is the X5 doesn't have the auto brightness sensor or the auto mode. Pressing the mode button cycles through the four main driving modes. Each one progressively gives you a high throttle response. There is the cruise mode for everyday road driving. Sport mode, also known as towing mode, gives the car a little bit more of a kick. The highest and most responsive setting is the Hikeit mode. Eco mode basically has the opposite effect and theoretically saves on fuel economy. Simply leaving the unit on auto mode, the unit learns your driving habit and manages the settings for you. Each mode has 9 level settings which you can change using the down and up arrows. Now let's look at some of the key features that stood out for me. The X9 comes with a 32-bit chipset, making it more stable with far more processing power than competitive brands which come with 16-bit. The one push overtake function works by pressing the mode button once. It instantly jumps to the highest setting, giving you the highest throttle response, allowing you access to power during towing situations. This is extremely useful when towing on the highway. Once you've overtaken, simply press mode again to go back. The added security feature is anti-theft. The unit disables the foot pedal until the secret pin is entered on screen. So no matter if someone has the keys or not, they're not going anywhere without unlocking the unit with the pin. Now let's get on to the unboxing. So inside the box you will find a quick install cheat sheet, the throttle control unit, the wiring adapter, a Hikeit sticker, coloured faceplates if you ordered them, and a detailed user manual. The installation is done in a few minutes following 5 easy steps. Step 1, turn the car off and wait 10 minutes. Step 2, locate the existing cable connecting the foot pedal and the ECU and unplug it. Step 3, connect the wiring adapter between the foot pedal and ECU. Step 4, find the perfect spot to mount the unit, route the cables and plug it into the wiring adapter. Step 5, tidy up the cables with the cable ties and you're ready to go. Firstly, this video is not sponsored in any way. I purchased the Hikeit unit with my own money. So I've had the Hikeit X9 unit installed on the Ford Ranger Wildtrak now for a few weeks. And comparing that to the cheaper model that I've got on the Pajero, I can certainly feel the difference when you're controlling the unit. When you're cycling through the different modes, the X9 responds a lot quicker and you can feel that through the acceleration on the Wildtrak. I'm not sure if it's a 32-bit chipset or a combination of that and the Ford Ranger being a lot newer vehicle, but everything's just responsive, you know, when you accelerate. And I've played around with the different modes, eco, cruise, auto. I do favor the sport mode on a daily basis, and when I need a bit more of a kick, then turn it on to Hikeit. Overall, it's a pretty good unit. You know it's on, it's responsive. Probably the only tip is when you're trying to park the car or in a slow speed zone, you got to remember what setting you're on, otherwise it bucks whenever you're trying to move. So if your car does have a bit of a lag when you accelerate and you need more response from the foot pedal when you take off, definitely look at the Hikeit X9 when you do your research. So as promised, in courtesy of Real Deal Tackle, I've negotiated the discount with them on their web store. If you go to the website and order a Hikeit X9 using the code Tabventures, you'll get 10% off your purchase with free shipping. So for example, if you've got a Ford Ranger like me and you buy the Hikeit X9, you'll get it for $171 with free shipping. So that wraps it up for this week. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.